はい、じゃあ今セブンマイルビーチに来てます。これからいくみさんのご主人のアンディのボートに乗ります。ボートツアー行ってきます。ちょっとボートクルーズすごすぎちゃって、はいはいはいはい、こちらセブンマイルビーチね。
I want to go under the boat. Can I go under the boat?
Yeah, man. Well, you can't use the jacket. Like only put like.
It's an experience.
Man, the shark cleaning the windows down there. That's nice.
Good job.
Yeah, good job. Arigato.
今シュノーケリングを終えて、今度はあの無人島探検ツアーに行ってきます。ジョンさん疲れ気味。はい、無人島到着です。でねーん。Alright。はい、では、無人島に到着しました。ジョンさんちょっと船酔いしました。じゃあこれからこの無人島に行ってまいります。無人島ツアー行きます。あ、これお土産屋さんもあることを言っておかないとね。
So, is that something that was naturally born?
Yeah, naturally grown.
Okay.
じゃあちょっと無人島探検始まりました。
What they look like.
Oh, that's a thicker version of it?
That's just one of it. So like this is it. This is like a big version of it. So it don't even leaves. So it just grow wild, like a wild termite.
Wild.
Like that. See?
Yeah.
Come and stick back to the ground. Get more strength.
It almost
grow
looks
more.
like alien. Like,
So you see
it
that-
almost looks like someone cut it
Somebody plant it right here,
and then it just grew
and
again.
then and leave it, and it just continue to grow down and
It's
don't
like, you
stop.
can't stop me.
No.
Wow.
It's a wild, it's a wild wish. You know, it's like a new beach. So you come here and people full off with naked people.
Oh, naked people everywhere. Oh, wow.
ああ。
Both here and the other side, and party and picnic and everything.
うん。
So,
じゃあちょっとヌードビーチに。やっと。うん。あ。パーティーね。
A lot of people from Europe come and take photos before for magazine.
okay.
So they will come and take with their models photos everywhere.
All right. That's a Brody Bay.
So from here all the way back down to start to halfway. No, what?
You want you to pick her up? That's cute.
So cute. Alright, Jan.
Yeah, no, you can't go back.
Is that the almond? Really? That's almond. That's an almond tree.
That's it now.
Wow.
So the rat bats eat it, the fruit bats.
Oh, fruit bats eat the outside
Eat
of
the
it.
outside,
Uh-huh.
Ah.
and then they drop it. So sometimes they drop it someplace and it grows.
Uh-huh.
So that's why the trees are everywhere. As you can see, there are a lot of young baby trees under here, so nobody eats it too often. You know?
So that's good. These are going to be almond trees then.
Almond trees.
Wow.
Almond
It's
trees.
amazing. So, like, this probably wouldn't happen if it weren't for the fruit bats
Right.
spreading their seeds around then.
Right.
It's amazing how, like, the plant works like that.
So and it bears so
Everything
much,
works,
bears so much, and it just falls off. And
Wow.
I've never seen an almond tree before.
Me neither.
Yeah, I've never seen one.
Me neither. はい、じゃあ無人島ツアー無事終了です。